If you're tired of struggling with heavy luggage or bags that just don't keep up, it might be time to upgrade. That's where Rolling Duffel Bags come in. Not only are they spacious and practical, but they're also designed to make traveling easier and more comfortable. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best rolling duffel bags that make traveling better. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly or durable duffel, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the duffel bags mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 6 is the Travelers Club Upright Rolling Duffel Bag. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It has a capacity of about 77 liters, so there's enough space for bulky coats, boots, or even team gear. The main compartment opens wide, so packing is simple, and 6 exterior pockets help you park gloves, chargers, and toiletries where you can grab them fast. The hardware is basic but practical. There is a sturdy telescopic handle, top and rear carry handles, and an inline blade wheel system that keeps the base simple and stable. Plus, the shell is soft and flexible, so you can stuff odd shapes and still zip it closed. Another thing I like is how this bag nails the basics. It is light for its size, easy to organize, and the grab handles make lifting into a trunk or onto a cart straightforward. So for seasonal trips, sports kits, or family vacations where capacity and price are concerned, this bag can balance space. Because this is the budget pick, there are trade-offs too. The pull handle is on the thinner side, and the wheels are smaller than what you see on higher-end bags. That can feel rough on broken pavement or long airport walks, especially when the bag is fully loaded. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly duffel bag that is reliable too, this one can be the solid pick. Number 5 is the Away the Outdoor Rolling Duffel. This is the most durable option on our list. The durability of this bag is due to its shell design. It has a hard polycarbonate backing for strength and impact protection. The front is soft, weather-resistant, and made from recycled polyester. This means the bag bends while you pack, but keeps its shape while you travel. The oversized wheels roll smoothly over curbs, gravel, and uneven floors, and inside a flip-fold frame holds the bag upright for packing, then folds flat for storage. Another great thing is that compression straps keep clothes in place. There are several pockets, including a hidden shoe pocket. That pocket also works as a laundry bag on the way home. And the mesh pockets hold small items like socks or cables. When it comes to lifting, the grab handles on all sides make it easier in tight spaces. The quick release handle also makes short lifts and sharp turns easier. Plus, the fabric resists water and scratches, and the pockets wipe clean after muddy or wet trips. Overall, if you need a soft duffel that's tough like a hard shell but stores flat, this one is the solid pick for you. Number 4 is the Tumi Large Split 2-Wheel Duffel. This is the most splurge-worthy pick on our list. It's made of FXT ballistic nylon, which has a reinforced weave with a special coating that resists scuffs and abrasion. The molded impact-resistant bottom and protective bumper rails shield corners at curbs and on baggage belts. 2 recessed Easy Glide wheels have sealed steel ball bearings on solid axles, so the roll stays smooth and quiet. The 2-stage telescoping handle uses Tumi's X-brace design to reduce flex and protect the handle tube. Another thing I like is the smart layout. A full-length zip divider lets you split the big main compartment into 2 sections. That's helpful for separating shoes or gym gear from clean clothes. You also get compression straps, a large mesh pocket, and quick-access exterior U-zip pockets. One has a water-resistant lining for damp items. The leather-accented top and side handles and a bottom grab point make lifting easy. And Tumi's Omega zipper puller is designed to break away if it snags, so you replace the puller instead of the whole zipper. There is also the Tumi Tracer program, which links a unique product number to your contact info to help recover lost bags. Overall, if you want a splurge bag with great build quality, repair network, and long coverage, this one is the best choice for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the duffel bags discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler. This is the most lightweight option on our list. The soft-sided build keeps the bag light, but the frame is tough. Its big treaded wheels roll smoothly over docks, campsites, and parking lots, and a padded base protects the bag when you pull it up steps. And the strong compression straps keep everything tight and stable. You get multiple ways to carry it. Pull it like a roller, grab it from the side or top, or use the tuck-away backpack straps for hands-free hauling. The reinforced lash points let you secure it to a roof rack or saddle, and the reflective zipper pulls make it easy to spot in dark garages or tents. Another thing I like is that access is simple. A wide U-shaped opening sits under a rain-shedding storm flap and can be locked. There's a quick access end pocket, a front pocket for small items, and an inside mesh pocket for cords or toiletries. And when you're done traveling, the whole bag folds into its own stuff sack, which also doubles as a packing cube. The capacity of this bag is about 108 liters, so it can handle bulky loads without the weight of a hard trunk. The inside works well with Eagle Creek pack. It cubes, which keep things neat and save time. Plus, Eagle Creek's no-matter-what warranty and repair-friendly design make it a reliable choice for frequent trips. Overall, if you want a lightweight bag that's tough and easy to lift too, this one is the best pick for you. Number 2 is the Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag with wheels. This is the best value pick on our list. It offers 100 liters of space in a body that is tough and well organized. The shell is made with 1200 denier high-density PVC fabric with a water-resistant face and a water-repellent polyester backer. It has durable YKK zippers, an alloy telescopic handle, and a hardback panel that adds structure so the bag stands up while you pack. Another thing I like is that the storage is flexible. There is a large U-shaped main opening, an interior zip mesh pocket for cables or toiletries, a quick access zip pocket, and a front vertical zip pocket for documents. Inside, an adjustable strap helps keep clothes from sliding, and exterior compression belts let you cinch the load tighter. Now, moving it around is easy too. The top, side, and bottom all have grab handles for two-person lifts, and the large diameter rubber wheels are quiet and roll over rough sidewalks without wobble. The small touches on this bag help on real trips. It has a side card holder for quick ID, a soft side body with a supportive hardback, and simple spot clean care. If you're looking for a bag with lots of space, waterproof materials, and smooth rolling, this one is the best value for money option on our list. Number 1 is the Patagonia Black Hole Wheeled Duffel 100 liter. This is the best overall pick on our list. It also offers 100 liters capacity, but with a large main opening, a zippered side pocket for quick grab items, and mesh pockets in the lid for cables and small tools. The body is made from recycled polyester ripstop with a recycled thermoplastic polyurethane film laminate for weather resistance. It is built to take abuse and keep gear dry. The frame is strong too, and the wheel set rolls smoothly for the size. Patagonia even includes backup wheel axles in the frame, so you can swap parts on the go if a curb strike bends hardware. Now, the exterior lash points let you clip extra gear, and reinforced top handles stand up to heavy lifts. Inside, compression straps lock down clothes so they do not slosh around. When you are off the road, the internal frame collapses for easier storage between trips. And with Fairtrade certified sewing and widely recycled materials, you get a tough, practical hauler with real sustainability chops. Overall, if you want one rolling duffel to cover work trips and adventure travel, this one is the overall best option to buy. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect duffel bags for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a duffel bag you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.